Hi everyone, I'm Franz, founder of BugHive. Our goal is to bring testers into your product to find bugs and broken flows before your users do. Let me show you how that works. As a client, we're going to create and fund a real campaign. So this is where the budget goes into escrow for payouts. I've added the pre-fill button here just to speed up the form, but of course in production, we need to type this. There's a confirmation model where we enter how much we're going to fund the campaign. So let's say I have $200 budget for this campaign. So as you can see here, there's a one-time 25 USDC fee per campaign creation, and the rest is deposited into the escrow and used for payouts. So let's try to fund and publish the campaign. The campaign has been created. So now, let's try to switch in tester POV. I already have a tester account ready, so I'll just open the campaign we funded earlier. By the way, if you use Google Sign In, we need to manually set a Solana address for payout. So we can go back to the campaign and try to submit 2 dummy reports. So this is the campaign we've created earlier as a client. So I pre-filled 2 bug reports here. Submitting. As a client, let's review what's on the campaign. So here in overview, we can see some activity going on. Then in submission tab, here are the submissions we filed as a tester. Each submission is reserved based on severity. Funds are allocated to it from the campaign escrow. So let me show you that in the budget tab. So here in the budget tab, we can see the detailed breakdown of the campaign funds. Reserved means this is the total USDC lock in escrow for pending submission. When a submission is approved, the reserved funds are released to the tester. If it's rejected, they return to the campaign's available balance for new submissions or withdrawal. Then for the refundable amount, the client can withdraw available funds anytime. So now, let's try to review the tester's submission. So here we can see the report details. So let's try to open a one report. There's an optional AI prompt where we can copy and paste into our Codebase our AI. Basically, it can assess whether the report is valid, it can suggest severity, and suggest a payout. Let's try to reject a report. For example, this report is not valid. So, when the report is valid, the reserved funds into it will go back to the available balance. So let's say this bug is valid. So we can change the severity and the bounty amount. So let's say we want to reward this tester $50. So after approving the bug, it releases the payout to the tester. So here we can see the actual transaction. So basically 85% goes to the tester and 15% goes to the platform. Then if we try to check the budget tab again, this is how it looks like. The client can withdraw available funds anytime, funds that isn't reserved for pending submissions. Watch show campaign status updates. The campaign will automatically get paused when there's not enough available funds for new submission. So if you want to continue the campaign, we can top up. So let's say I want to top up 50 USDC. So yeah, that's it for now. AI helps you ship faster. BugHive makes sure you don't ship broken. Thanks for watching.